Good overall okay. Good overall okay. Simple and clean. A simple and clean hotel for a night stay in a small town. Near to LPT Highway Gambang exit, many eating place nearby, next to petrol station. Exceptional Kadar Kotor. Next cleaner please alert. Jangan pemalas. Alas Kadar pon masih ada helan rambut. MCMTK dicukar. Emergency staycation. Good room with superb staff. Emergency staycation. Good room with superb staff. Quiet atmosphere. Cheap accommodation in rural areas. Stayed one night for child registration at Huya Foundation. Very friendly, helpful and explaining staff with very clear instructions. Able to sleep peacefully without being disturbed by noise or any disturbance. Excellent value of money. Excellent value of money. Good suitable for couple. Very good overall. Everything is okay but the PowerPoint only one in the position difficult to plug in. Good value for money. Kong everything okay for this hotel. Good. Value for money. Accommodation. One of the hotel closest to the Gambang educational hubs, it offers a quick refreshing stay. Clean place. Value for money. Don't expect any facility, just for sleeping for the night.